Hi, this is 11 Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Ford Focus, stock number 6556. This ran from the 5th 2011, the 8th 2015. It has a PNDA 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LW 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lip, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,